Here is how you can delete Instagram messages in bulk on the iPhone. Let me guide you through it. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So what we need to do, obviously, is to get inside our Instagram app. And as I'm on the home screen like this, I can go to the DM section and I can see all of the messages which I have interacted with and all of the chats and everything, right? So it depends if you want to delete the whole threads in bulk or the individual messages. Right, so as you can see, I have the ability to be in my main conversation list. Click the three dots in at the top right, and I can click on a select chats like this, which is going to give me the ability to tap on the individual ones like this, perhaps select all of them or as many as I want, and I can click on like move them between categories or tap on more to flag them, mark them as unread and so on. But in at the bottom right corner, we of course have the delete button, so that's how you can delete two conversation threads in bulk with the click of a button, right? So that is the first option. And outside of that, when you get inside any specific message conversation, you can see some of the messages or I don't know, whatever it is in here. If you want to delete those in bulk, you have to hold down on one thing. It's going to give you the ability to manage it. And when you click on a delete for you, it would apply to just one thing, right? But it gives you the ability to select others as well, right? So you have also the option to select other messages and you can see deleting them for you. And it's going to be like the 7 things which I selected. So that is how it would work. You should keep in mind that it may not be or it may not look exactly the same for you. And the reason might be that you have a different account type. So if I go to my profile in here and tap on the 3 lines right there, I'm going to have the ability to go in here and change the account type, right? So it only works, the bulk deletion only works for the creator or business account type. And if you have a personal one, then it might be a little bit of a problem. And that's why you can go through in here and basically change the account type, right? So you have it right here, account type and tools. And as you can see, I'm currently set to professional, but I could change it to something else if I wanted to. For example, even on this like main page, if I go to the account privacy and enable private account, it's going to turn me into the personal one and so on. So that's how you can manage it and make sure that you are either a creator or the professional business one. So that's how you'll be able to manage your messages. Let me know if it worked for you. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.